So this is lesson 1.7. We're going to be working on pages 31, 32, 33, and 34. Okay, so today we're going to subtract whole numbers. So we're going to start with unlock the problem. It says Mount Bear and Mount Bona are two mountains in Alaska. Mount Bear is 14,831 feet tall and Mount Bona is 16,420 feet tall. 21 feet tall. How much taller is Mount Bona than Mount Bear? So we're going to estimate. So they rounded 16,421 to 16,000 because the 4 tells that 6 to say the same. And they rounded 14,831 to 15,000 because that 8 told that 4 to go up. So 16,000 minus 15,000 is 1,000. So go ahead and write 1,000 right here. Okay. Now they actually want you to subtract. So you can go through it step by step. You can put it right here, or you can write on the side of your paper, or you can use scratch paper and write it in. That's just fine with me, as long as somewhere it shows what you're doing. Okay, so I'm going to write out my numbers. 16, 4, 2, 1, 14, 8, 3, 1. And see how they're in line at the ones place? That means I'm right. I did it right. Okay, don't line them up over here. Line them up at the ones. 1 minus 1 is 0. Nice and easy. Now, 3 minus 2. I can't do it. So I have to borrow from the 4, making that a 3, and make that a 12. 12 minus 3, 12, 10, 12, 11, 10, 9. 8 minus 3. Can't do it. Got to borrow again. Oh, borrowing. You're going to have to do it. 13 minus 8 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so we would say that it is 1,590 feet taller. So we just did all the work that they wanted us to. So we're going to scroll down to right here. Okay, so we know that the 1 goes right there. 1,590. Okay, so Mount Bona is 1,590 feet taller. Since 1,590 is close to our estimate of 1,000, our estimate's reasonable. This is not crazy far off from that, so we know that we're good to go. Okay, next page. We're going to subtract some more. Okay. Oh, first of all, we're going to check our answer with addition. So addition and subtraction are inverse operations, which means they can undo each other. So we can use them to check. So we can take our answer and we can add it to what we subtracted, and hopefully we get the original number we started with. So that's what we're going to do here, is we're going to add. So our answer plus what we subtracted. 0 plus 1 is 1. 9 plus 3 is 12. They carried the 1 for you already. How nice of them. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's a 4. Carry the 1. 4, 5, 6. And then a 1 here. So I get 16,421. Oh, look at that. And we get our original answer of 16,421. So we did what we needed to do. All right, moving on. Share and show. So it says, number 1, subtract. Use the grid to record the problem. Okay, so we are going to subtract 637,350 minus 43,832. Okay, so you see how there's more digits in the left number than the right number? So I got to make sure that I line it up correctly using the ones place. Okay, so don't do the mistake that you're going to see later. Line it up using the ones place, using place values. So I have 6, 3, 7, 3, 5, 0. Now, the ones place, I need to put the ones place of this number there. So I'm going to start with the 2. Then the 3's in the tens place, the 8's in the hundreds, the 3's in the thousands, and the 4's in the 10,000s. Okay, see how they line up to the left using the ones. So I know I'm correct. Okay, so now I'm going to subtract. 2 minus 0. 0 minus 2. I can't do that. So I have to cross out that and borrow from the 5. The 5 becomes a 4 and the 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. Doing good so far. 3 minus 8. Uh-oh. Problem. Can't do it. Have to borrow. 7 becomes a 6 and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 8. So I'm going to count down 8 times. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 4. Uh-oh, can't do it. Got to borrow from the 6. That becomes 13. 13, 10, 9, 8. Oh, sorry. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. And then the 5 just gets brought down here. Okay, so our commas 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 593,518. Make sure that's what you got and put it up there. Lots of borrowing today. You're not going to get away from it. You're going to have to borrow. Such is life. All right. Okay, so number 2 says to estimate and then find the difference. Okay, so estimating means we round first, right? So 14,659. I'm going to leave the number in front of the comma the same. So I'm going to look to the number in the hundreds place to tell me what to do. So that 6 tells that 4 to go up. So 14,659 is close to 15,000. So I'm going to write 15. And then I'm going to subtract 11,584. We look here. That 5 tells that 11 to go up to 12. So 15,000 minus 12,000. So my estimate is 3,000. Okay. So hopefully our answer will be close to that. Okay. So now we're actually going to subtract. So 14,659, 11,584. You guys can subtract right on your paper. That's fine with me. Okay, 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 8, can't do it, gotta borrow. 15 minus 8 is 7. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so my answer is 3,075, which is super close to 3,000, so we are on track. Okay, so our next one, let's talk about, let me erase here. Okay. All right, so we need to estimate. Oh my goodness. So we have 456,912. So we have multiple ways that we can estimate that number. We can say that it's close to 500,000. We could say that it's close to 460,000. We could say that it is close to 457,000. Let's just do what we've been doing and we'll look at that 9 to round. So that 9 tells that 6 to go up to 7. So I have 4, 5, 7, and then the rest becomes zeros for the estimate. Subtract. And that 8 tells that 7 to go up to 38. See how my ones place are in line? Good. Now I can subtract. 0, 0, 0. Oh, I gotta borrow again. All right, that becomes 17. That becomes 4. 17 minus 8. Let's count up this time. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 becomes a 9. And then 4 minus 3 is 1 and 4. Okay, so we're going to say that it's going to be close to 419,000. Nice big numbers, huh? Okay, so let's subtract. Again, you can do your work down here, or you can use another piece of paper. As long as you're showing me and attaching it, I'm fine with that. Okay, so let's subtract. Yay, no borrowing so far. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 6 minus 7. Borrow. So this becomes a 4, and this becomes 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 4, so we get 419,112. Holy moly, that's really close. We're doing great. Okay, last one. Okay, so we are going to estimate. Okay, so I already know just looking at that number, that 407,001, I'm just going to round it to 400,000. Because that 0 tells that 4 to just stay the same. Okay, and then I'm going to round this 18, this number here. I'm going to look at the 8. That 8 tells that one to go up, so I'm going to make that 200,000. you rounded a little bit more precisely, that's fine. 400,000 minus 200,000 is 200,000. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so I'm going to write that in. Oops. There we go. All right, now I'm going to line it up and actually subtract. So 407, 0, 0, 1, 1, 8, 4, 6, 5, 2. Our ones are in line. Everything's in line. Okay. 1 minus 2. Can't do it. Ugh. Oh no. There's a 0 and a 0 and a 0. If I look at this whole number right here, that's 700. So I'm going to borrow from 700. What's 1 less than 700? 699. So that's what I'm going to write here. And so now this becomes 11. 11 minus 2, 11, 10, 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 0 minus 8, can't do it. Cross that out, make that a 10, make that a 3. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So I get 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 9. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 9. Now, if I wouldn't have rounded it so much, I probably would have gotten an answer that was super close, but it's not too far off. So I'm going to say that that answer is reasonable. Okay, so go ahead and I want you to do 5 through 7 on your own right now, and then pause the video, and I want you to check back, and I want you to see if your answers are correct. Okay, so go ahead and check your answers. You can see that how I decided to do my estimating. Okay, yours is a little different. That's fine as long as it's close. We're good to go. Here are the actual answers for the subtraction problems. That says 449, 641. 141980. Okay, go ahead and check, and then go ahead and move on. Okay, guys, so from here I want you to try as many as you can, 8 through 18 on your own, and then even into the next page. I think it's 19. Yes, all that's for 19. So I would like you to try 8 through 19 on your own, and then when you have your answers, I want you to switch to the other video and check your work. Okay, so go ahead and get to work, and when you're ready, I want you to check your answers on the next video.